Hello friends, welcome to our channel Harmonic Numbers, and in this video we will deal with the month of September. So, how the month of September will be for those who were born in the month of April, May and June. So first let me shuffle it and then I'll pick one card for each month. So this is the card for the month of April. This one is for the month of May born people, and this one, the last one, is for the June born people. So now let's have a look how the month of September will be for those who were born in the month of April. So this shows Two of Cups, but this Two of Cups is a very good card, very positive card. Let me show you properly. I hope now you can see it very easily, and you can see that there is a union between the two people, and also there is a healing symbol and the lion with the wings. So this is all very satisfying healing card actually, but as it is reversed, so there will be delay in this case. So what can happen if you are facing some kind of illness? It may cause delay to get cured. So the April born friends, please note that if you are into any kind of illness, it will take time to recover. And also this shows good relationship with your boyfriends, girlfriends, with your husbands, wives. And as this is a reversed card, there will be a bit of problem between your conjugal life. So I'm not saying that the April born friends will have a very bad time, but rather I would say that there will be hurdles when you will deal with the cases that deals with your heart, mainly your heart. So please take care of yourself, be healthy and be mentally very stable, otherwise you may have to face some trouble. So now let's look at the month of May. This is month of May that shows Seven of Wands. Now Seven of Wands shows that you will have to maintain your position while doing a lots and lots of work, but this is again reverse one. So your suggestion is that the May born friends will come out of this situation. So if in your workplace there is too much of stress, actually you will be able to come out of this situation, and many of your stresses, the causes of your stress will be elevated and you will lead a better life. So my dear May born friends, be very happy. This is going to be a very good time in the month of September 2021. Now let's have a look at the June born friends. Okay, so the June born friends, beware, take extreme care. You can see this is the Tower card, and this is also a major arcana card. So I would say that the impact in your life will be much stronger. and what kind of impact it is. One thing is, at the first glance, you may think that this is a negative card because a tower is crushing down, people are falling, and there is thunderbolts and all that. But please mind one thing, this is not actually an entirely bad card to have. This actually shows that some truth will be revealed and you will understand the situation that will actually clear up many confusions that you have, and maybe you will now be able to start anew. You will be able to understand the situation in a much better way, and actually that will help you to build a new tower. Maybe the old tower is crashing down, but don't worry, you will be able to build a new tower with a very strong foundation. So, friends, this is the reading for the month of September 2021 for those friends who were born in the month of April, May, and June. And if you have any questions that I can answer, please write it into the comment box so that I can take on the questions and maybe I can answer it later in some different videos. So if you are liking our videos, please subscribe the channel and please hit the bell icon so that you can get the notification of the future videos. Thank you very much.